how to do jumping knee rocks in a circle. First, make sure you understand how to do basic knee rocks in a circle, going knees, hands, feet, switch hands, knees, hands, feet. Step 1, place your right hand down and go right knee, left knee. Switch hands and go right foot, left foot facing the back. Switch hands, right knee, facing left. Switch hands, right foot, left foot facing the front. A little smoother. Ready? Switch hands, right, left. Switch hands, right, left. Switch hands, right, left. Switch hands, right, left. Next, lean your weight onto your arms, jumping into each step. Boom, boom. Switch hands, boom, boom. Switch hands, boom, boom. And lastly, try to give the step a slinky-like effect, making your knee follow the other knee and foot follow the other foot. Boom, boom. Practice this until you're comfortable and then get creative. For more help with dancing, make sure you subscribe to me on YouTube and Patreon.